Hey, if you or your kids are crafters and you like to paint on a variety of surfaces that are typically hard to paint on, I'm talking rock, ceramic, metals, woods, glass, things like that, smooth and porous surfaces, this is a great paintbrush alternative from Artistro. These are extra fine golden paint pens that were sent to me by Artistro to show you, so I'm going to demonstrate on this rock here. I've already done a little rainbow here with some other colors of theirs. What I'm showing you here now is this product right here. It comes with 2 gold pens and they're both extra fine tip. That's a 0.7 millimeter tip. Here's how you activate these. Give them a little shake, pop that cap, press it down, and that's going to prime the tip of the marker. So let me show you how fine this is. You see that? Look at how pigmented and strong it comes out just on the first go. I don't even have to go over this twice, but just because I'm going to be a little bit of a perfectionist, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the star. These color just like normal markers, but they show up so beautiful on these solid surfaces. I wouldn't recommend using these on paper unless it's nice and thick, because this is paint in here and it's going to soak right through. It's really meant for hard or thick surfaces. And there we have it, my beautiful star next to my pretty little rainbow, made with the metallic marker series from Artistro. I hope that was helpful.